Hello guys, welcome to the Sigma Tech. Today we have an Apple laptop for repair and the model number of this laptop is A1466. It's Airbook. The problem is it is not turning on. Customer has checked with multiple charges but it is not turning on. We have checked it in the DC as well. The green light is not turning on. So let's try to repair it and see whether we can repair this laptop or not. Let's get started. Here we have kept it for 14.8 volts on the DC and let's plug it. So as you can see, the green light is not coming and the DC it is taking 0. Up to 70 amp and it shows here something like this. For few seconds this logo comes and then it disappears. That means there is something related to the battery. We can see the ampere is still rising. Again the logo comes and it goes back. So this is what the problem we are facing. So in this case what we can do is, first we will remove the battery and we try to power on the laptop, and after that we will see what is the problem. So we have opened the laptop and now we will disconnect the battery connector. And now let's turn it on. The ampere is rising now. Okay, now it is turning on. So that means there is a issue with the battery or with the battery charging section. So let's see it. Okay, the laptop has turned properly. That means there is a problem with the battery itself. So in this case what we need to do is, we will replace the battery and we will plug the charger and check it out whether the problem is getting solved or not. If the problem doesn't get solved, then we will try to check battery charging section. So let's remove the battery and we will replace the battery with another one. I have the spare battery. So here we have a battery, spare battery. Now let's put it and test it. So the ampere is rising to 80 and still you can see there is no green light on the charger, and it is happening the same thing. You can see the logo and it goes off. So the problem remains same. That means it is the charging section related issue. It is not the battery, it is the charging related issue. So guys, first thing what we need to do is, we need to measure the voltages. Are we getting the right voltages? So let's connect the charger. So charger is connected. Now where to measure the voltage? That is the first thing we need to understand. So I have already downloaded it, the schematic and board view. Let's go to the board view, because you know there are no part number is given on the Apple board. So here is the schematic, and first thing what we need to measure is the voltage of this coil. This coil is very important. It's a charging coil. So let's find it on the schematic. On the board view first we will find it. Here is the board view and this coil is just above this. So let's zoom it. Okay, so here is the battery connector and here is the coil. This coil is L7130. Yes, the other side of this coil is PPV_G3H. Okay, so we will search L7130 on the schematic. L7130. Okay, so here is the coil which I am talking about, that is this one. Now here, how much voltage we are supposed to get when connected with the charger? Okay, it's 8.6 volts. So let's measure it if we are getting the right voltage there. So we are getting lesser voltage, that is 8.3 volt. So I think this probably is the cause of this problem. I'm not sure, but this could be the problem of this. So in this case, what we need to do first thing? The first thing what we need to do is directly we will change the part, because directly we will change this part. Why? Because there is a sensing IC from this board to SMC IC. The connection is there from this board to this IC. Until unless the voltage is proper, everything is proper in this circuit, the green light will not turn on. So before coming to this part, we will directly change this board and then we will check it out whether we are getting the right voltage on this part or not. So if everything is okay here, then only this voltage will be proper. So something is not okay, maybe from this board or from this side or from this side. Okay, so before doing this part, we will change this part and check it out. So let's change it. I already have a spare board, a spare part as well. Let's change it. So I have another daughter board here. We will put this one and check it out. Remember, this cable also has to be placed, otherwise few things will not work. So we will place this as well. Now everything looks fine. Let's connect the battery. Now let's check with the charger. Okay guys, you can see. So this was the problem. The green light has turned orange. That means the charging has begun. So the problem was this card itself. See, once again it is orange. It was an easy fix. I think the problem was the daughter board itself. Now let's not go into deep and pack it and check it out. So by this video we can find out that so many problems will be caused due to this. If by mistake customer has checked with a different charger with higher voltage, this might go faulty. So guys, we have plugged it with the charger and you can see it is charging, and the charging also has been increased. I'm just monitoring from some time. So here you can see 7% it has increased and this air is stable now. So if you learned something from this video, please give a like to the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's meet up on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.